Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be going over another brand that basically is able to generate hundreds of thousands of dollars every single year and every single month. And I'm going to be going through the entire funnel from how they're able to go ahead and pretty much run ads, and also go through their website, how they structure their website. I'll also go through their email marketing aspect and basically how they're all combining it together, right? So make sure you watch the video to the end. This is good for beginners. This is good for people who are just starting out and want to start their own e-commerce brand. Maybe you have a brand already and you're trying to find a way to launch it. So if you're in one of those categories, I recommend that you join my white label challenge. I'll leave a link in the description where it basically shows you from A to Z how to go ahead and start your own e-commerce brand and actually launch it as well. So make sure you join that. But let's get straight into the video, right? So this brand is called Noto Botanics, and they're basically a skincare brand. As you can see, they are pretty much trying to cater to like very clean skincare, natural skincare. And so what they've been able to do, obviously they're generating quite a bit of money from their brand. We can see here, if we look at the analytics from the store, that they are generating upwards of 40,000 monthly visitors. So that's quite a lot of people that they're bringing to their website, and a good portion of them will be converting. So if we look at exactly how they're going ahead and pretty much getting these people to convert, we can see that the bounce rate is roughly around 59%. And that pretty much shows that they are going ahead and getting people to the website. And then a good portion of them are leaving, which is expected. Usually you want this to be below 50%, 40% ideally, but it doesn't matter when you're doing retargeting. So it's good that they are keeping it as low as possible, but there can still be improvements that can be had here. And in terms of the number of pages per visitor, it's roughly around 1.86 pages that each visitor is looking at, so that they can go ahead and potentially purchase. Ideally, you want this to be above a 1.5 to 2, right? This is roughly around the normal range. And if it's below a 1, then you obviously have a problem there. It means people are bouncing off very quickly. So when you're building a website, you want to make sure that everything is cohesive, everything makes sense, and that you actually keep people engaged on the website, because as you know, we live in an attention economy now, and if people are not going ahead and staying on your website, it means that you're not capturing their attention. So it's very important that you're able to do that. And in terms of the monthly visitors, currently, as of December, which was the last month, is around 28,000 monthly visitors. So that's quite a lot of visitors. And you can imagine they're making at least double that in revenue, if not 1.5x times that in revenue. So roughly around $30,000 to $40,000 a month, which is still quite a decent number. And is something that you can go ahead and replicate for yourself as well. You can see here that the average video duration is 24 seconds. So that is on the lower end. It could also mean that they may have a few bot traffic, but typically you want to see at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. If it's less than that, then it means that maybe the quality of the traffic is not good, or there could be some issues that's going on with the tracking. But it's easy to get this above 30 seconds as long as you have a very clean website which is communicating the product very well. So if we look at other metrics here, you can see that they are targeting the United States. And here they are getting 74.87% of their traffic from the United States. So that's something to consider, right? Because if you're starting a new brand, you always want to target your home country, or maybe you're in the UK, you can start with the UK, Australia, right? Just like that. So it's actually quite simple for you to go ahead and reach target customers, because more likely than not, you have good experience with what your target customer wants in those countries, right? And once you are able to establish some sort of revenue there, then you can start to expand out to other countries. But in this case, Noto Botanics, they're based in the US, so they are primarily targeting the US as well. So that's what you can expect. And then in terms of the traffic sources, we can see here 43% of the traffic is direct traffic, and that basically means that people are coming straight to the website. They're either typing it in on their keyboard and they're going straight to the website. So they're typing in Notto Botanics. And in terms of the search, we can see here that they are going ahead and reaching 34% of the total number of visitors from search. So that could include organic search. It could include paid search as well. But most of the time, a lot of the traffic, if you're running meta ads, which they are, they're getting them to basically go to the website, and then people will naturally go back to the website from Google organically. So this can be reflected in here, right? And in social, 14%. This is quite high on desktop. It means they're running a lot of paid social, a lot of meta ads, which I'll go into in a bit. But basically, it's something that you want to go ahead and push through, right? Because at the end of the day, if you are not using paid social, i.e. Meta ads or Facebook ads, it means that they're not going to reach a large portion of their target market, right? Because a large portion of them are actually younger audiences, women particularly as well, who spend a lot of time on Instagram. So they're doing a good job of reaching those people. And then we have 6% being referrals. These are people who are basically coming from articles, from reputable companies. So for example, Vogue, for example, they may be having articles about the brand in one of their articles, and then people read it and they'll click on the link and they'll go to the website. So that's one way they're bringing traffic. But overall, this is just for desktop. You can expect these numbers to be quite different for mobile, and you can expect social to be a lot higher on mobile, because again, a lot of the social media apps are only accessible on mobile, right? So that's how this has been set up for the brand. Now, in terms of the ad strategy, right, because they are bringing traffic to the website, we can see here that they have 14 ads running currently. And if we look at some of them, we can see that they have quite a few of different varieties. This is what you want when you are going ahead and trying to scale a brand or just starting out. You want to have some creatives, ideally videos and images, to test via the ads. And you find that it's actually going to, some ads are going to produce good results, some ads are not going to be producing good results as well. So it's definitely something that you want to test. You can see here, if we look at some of them, for example, this ad basically shows that they have the new limited edition blow glitter for holiday, a vegan toxic-free bio glitter for a gilded glow on eyes, face, lips, face, or anywhere you want to sparkle, right? So they are really trying to cater to people who are going on holiday, and they're trying to cater to an audience who like vegan products, right? Toxic-free bio glitter, right? It's a unique product, and you can see they have different images of different models wearing wearing the glitter. So that's what they've done for this ad, and that's kind of what you can do as well for your own type of brand as well. It doesn't matter what industry you're in, you can go ahead and basically show different models wearing the same product, and that will appeal to different audiences. So that's something that you can do. You can see they're appealing to men and women. And then they have another ad here. They have a video ad here. So this one, you can see they are going ahead and basically showcasing the product, and they're using a studio shoot to sort of make it look more glamorous and sort of be more sort of relatable in a sense. So that's what they've gone ahead and done. They have the new limited edition bio glitter for holiday, a vegan toxic-free bio glitter. So they're using the same copy as they were using in the previous video I showed you, or the previous ad I showed you. So that's something that you can do as well. And then we also have another video here. They basically have a sort of model or UGC content creator making opinion on the makeup. So that's something that you can do as well. And it's going to just basically show off the product and show people what the product looks like when they're trying it on. So that's something that you want to do. And if you look at another ad that they have another ad here. And this one is basically another creator or model wearing the lipstick in this case, right? So you can go ahead and test different videos with different products and see which one works the best. That's what they gone ahead and done here. So that's something that you can do too, right? and it keeps going on, right? You can see this one. You can see this one here, where they have another model trying on the lipstick, and basically the copy they're using is celebrate self-expression with Noto multi-bend sticks, vegan, multi-use, buildable color made with skincare first ingredients. So just a different angle, a different video that they're trying here. So that's what they've done with the ads. And you can imagine that when you have 14 ads running, that you can generate quite a good amount of revenue. So that's something that you can do if you're just starting out and after you built your first e-commerce store, right? So in terms of the website, obviously the traffic will come to the website. And basically from here, what will happen is they will go to the homepage or the collection pages, right? So you can see here that Noto, they have basically a hero image and it's showing off the new kit. 25% off when you build your own kit. They also have a header here or announcement bar. They're saying 3 to 5 items added to cart for 25% off. You get free shipping on orders above $50. So that's something that you can do for your website. When people buy, if they spend more than $50 with your brand, you can go ahead and reward them with free shipping. So that's something that can be added to your repertoire. And if you look at the homepage, you can see it's very clean. They're showing off different offers here. They got gender fluid, multi-use, vegan essentials. This is very powerful, and it's something that you can go ahead and do regardless of what industry you're in. Basically, going ahead and indicating what your unique selling proposition is. You can see they mentioned about being gender fluid, multi-use, or the product being catering to gender fluid and multi-use and vegan sort of audiences. And you see effortless, uncomplicated, clean beauty with botanical focused ingredients. And then below that, they show off the product. So when you're building your store, or if you have a store already, you want to make sure that it's very clean, that it's very sort of just showcasing the product with high imagery. And you can see that's what they've done here. And they have the model also wearing the product, or sort of trying on the product. So this is on the homepage. They're also selling kits to maximize the average order value. You can also see that they have sort of more information about botanics and sort of giving social proof, very powerful if you're able to do that, providing sort of who you're being associated with, in this case Hypebae, V Magazine, and they provide more and more information about their different products, okay, which send them to the collection page. You definitely want to go ahead and send them to the collection page as much as possible so that you can maximize conversion rates. So they also provide information on the different sort of offers that they have, or the different points in which that's basically is going to cater to their audience, multi-purpose products, non-toxic, cruelty-free formulations, free shipping, cashback on every purchase. So it's giving them different reasons to go ahead and purchase, and basically building their confidence that this is the right product for them. Okay, so that's what they've gone ahead and done here. You can see very powerful. They have different models wearing the different products, and basically they have the footer. But let's say we were to go to a collection page. You can see here that they have their different products clearly laid out. It's all very cohesive, very consistent. They have reviews. They have a lot of different images showing off the different products, and something that you want to do as well when you're building your store. Again, you can go ahead and click on the link in the description for my program, which shows you how to do all of this. And here you can see that on the product page, they have a very clean product page. You have the product description. They have the photos with the different models wearing the different products. And they also have a video as well, which is very powerful. So it's going to be like a demonstration of some sort. You definitely want to have something like this. And yeah, looks very good. And then they have the reviews. They have a sticky add to cart, as you can see here. At the bottom, they have the add to cart button. And basically from there, more reviews. And they also have product recommendations. This is going to help to increase your average order value, which is what you want to do, because you'll find that when you start bringing traffic to the store, when you have your store set up, it's actually going to become a case where you can make more money from your potential customers, right? Or your customers, by going ahead and upselling them with these different products. So when the visitor goes ahead and add to cart, you see that they're able to go ahead and basically check out, right? But here, before that, you can see that they are going ahead and giving you options to add more products to their cart, to your cart, right? So they're offering some other products: face and body, hydro highlighter stick, multi-bend stick, more multi-bend sticks, right? Different colors. And there is an easy add-on option, right? So you can click here, click add, and it'll add more items to your cart. Now it's £44 instead of £22. So now you've just doubled your AOV. So yeah, so that's basically what they've done. Very powerful. And also you can see that they're saying that they're sort of gamifying the process, where they're saying, okay, you've got £6 away from free shipping, which is going to incentivize you to go ahead and add more to your basket, so they can go ahead and get free shipping. So let's say I added another product to the cart now. Now it's £66. Now we have free shipping. Fantastic. So now we can go ahead and check out, and basically we'll just go ahead and purchase from there. Now, after you've purchased, or the customer has purchased, what happens now is that they will see the brand's emails, okay? So what you want to do when you have your store set up, you want to set up email marketing, and basically just show different emails to your now new customer, or maybe you already had customers on your email list, or potential customers on your email list from pop-ups, right? So you can see here that you can send different emails. You can see Nota Botanics have different emails here, and they're all communicating different things. For example, this one, they are going ahead and offering, well, free serum with orders above $75. Okay, and again, this can be applied to different. It doesn't matter what type of brand you are, whether you're fashion, health, or beauty, homeware. It could be dog-related brand, pet-related brand, cookware, kitchenware. It doesn't matter. You can always provide new offers to your email subscribers, and you can make it exclusive as well, so you can reward them. Okay, you can see here they have reviews, very powerful, and they go ahead and repeat this with their different emails that they send out. Okay. Again, if you need help with this, you can go ahead and click on the link below, which will send you to my program, where you will learn this from A to Z. Okay, so you can see here there's another email with different models wearing different products, just communicating different things, right? And that's basically how they're going ahead and scaling, and able to bring in 30,000 visitors per month, basically, from their brand. So that's what they've done. Again, something that you can go ahead and replicate, basically going ahead and setting up the website properly, making sure that you are running ads in the right way, and also making sure that you're going ahead and set up emails correctly as well, making sure that you have the right products, making sure that the suppliers are able to, you're working with the right suppliers, making sure that you are selling the right products, making sure you're doing the proper market research to make sure that you have the right product that is going to your target market, so you can actually scale and start generating revenue and profits. So if you need help with that, make sure you go ahead and click on the link in the description. It will send you to my program. And again, it's going to be going up shortly, so make sure you join that. And you will also get the niche cheat sheet as well, which will help you to understand more about different opportunities that there are in your industry. So make sure you do that. Again, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.